Are you missing important calls because your Xero phone number is wrong? Fix it in under a minute. I'll show you exactly where to click in Xero to update your phone number. Just follow these simple steps. All right, let's start. First, you want to log into your Xero account. This is the same place you always go to handle your invoices, bank reconciliations, and contacts. Just head to the login page, type in your email and password, and hit that login button. It might take a second to load your dashboard, and that's totally normal.
So once you're logged in, look up to the very top right corner of your screen. You're going to see a small icon. It could be your initials or maybe a generic person silhouette. That's your profile icon. Click on it. A little drop-down menu will appear. Now, from that drop-down, you want to select the option that says Profile. Just click on Profile. This is the section where you can manage all your personal account details, so it's a handy place to know.
Now, once you're on your profile page, you're going to need to scroll down just a bit. And I mean just a bit. It's not a super long page. You'll scroll past your name and your email address until you see a section labeled Contact Details. That's the area we're looking for. It's usually pretty straightforward, with a few fields for your address and other contact info. Within that Contact Details section, you'll find a field called Phone. It might be empty, or it might have an old number that's not yours anymore. Go ahead and click inside that field. Now, here's the really important part. Type your new phone number carefully. Make sure you include the right country code if you need one. For example, if you're in the US, you'd want to start with a +1 and then your area code and number. A common pitfall is accidentally typing a dash or a parenthesis and then realizing Xero might not format it the way you expected. So just stick with digits and the plus sign for the country code. It's clean and it always works. Okay, so you've typed in your number. Now, before you click anything else, take a moment to review the information. Double check that every digit is correct. You don't want to miss an important call from a client because of a typo, right? Read it out loud to yourself if that helps. It takes just a few seconds and saves you a headache later. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, go ahead and find the Save button. On a desktop, it's usually at the bottom of the page, sometimes on the right-hand side. Just click Save. You might see a quick confirmation message pop up or a flash on the screen, and that's it. Your phone number is now updated in Xero. And here's the thing, because I've been through these menus so many times, I know that double-checking after you save is a smart habit. So quickly glance at the contact details section one more time to see your new number displayed. It gives you that peace of mind. So in just under a minute, you went from having an outdated or missing phone number to having your contact info accurate and up to date. Now, your clients and colleagues can actually reach you, and you won't miss those important notifications. That's really all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.